What it's like saying to someone with an eating disorder to just eat. Alright, put your hand down exactly like this and just lift your ring finger. Just do it. Come on, just do it. That's what I thought.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze.
Name something extremely normal that gives you intense anxiety.
Yeah, and can I get a number 46 but with vegan cheese? Vegan, yeah. And can I get a Diet Coke? Diet Coke.
Mother, I'm coming home.
You know I'm just a flight away. If you want it, you could take a private plane. A kilometers is go on. I'm getting tired and I need someone to rely on.
I think this is affecting me mentally. Like long-term shit, it's gonna fuck with me. I think that this is gonna fuck me up.
I felt like nothing without you, now I feel nothing. Keep on calling, I'ma let it ring.
Petition to stop people from saying, have you tried just not worrying about it? When you experience actual anxiety, you in? Like, I'm sorry, have you tried actually suggesting something useful?